Welcome back, everybody. We got a new video for you today. We're going to do something a little bit different again. We have an unboxing to do. And I've got my little engineer helper here. You want to say hi?
Hi.
All right. So, together, we are going to open up this package that just arrived to show all the viewers. So, what do you think is in it?
A train.
You think a train is in it?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's not a box of chickens?
No.
No? It's not a box of donuts?
No.
No? Okay.
The police would buy that a whole lot.
Oh, the police would buy a box of donuts, eh?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's cut her open and let's see if you're right. Wouldn't you be surprised if it was a box of socks?
I would be.
Here we go.
I know that police love eating donuts.
They do they? I think some of them actually might. I don't mind donuts either. And in here is some pink packaging.
No.
No? Oh, okay.
I knew it was a train.
Well, we got some bubble wrap. That's always useful. And we got lots of pink packing here. You can have some of that.
No.
And first thing we see, it's an old crushed box.
Well, that would just be extra packing.
That's kind of like extra packing.
And there's another box.
So this was the box for a 2035. I knew the box was coming. I'm not so concerned about the original packaging of these things.
Maybe.
It's nice to have sometimes, right? But it's not a deal breaker for me. And here is another box. Oh, this one's in really good shape. And what does that say?
Whistle tender.
It's the original box for a 6466W whistle tender. So what do you think is hopefully under even more pink packaging?
Probably whistle tender.
Looks like you're right.
It's really new bubble wrapping.
And it is a whistle tender. There is the 6466 whistle tender. Looks like we're going to have a little bit of work to do, right, pal?
There's wires loose.
Yeah, the wires have come off the connector. That's okay, not a big deal. We'll put this off to the side for now. And say, oh, good, it doesn't have the magnetic coupler. It's got the regular one. That makes me happy. Actually, let's give it a quick look before we put it off to the side. It looks like it's in really good shape at first glance. There's a little bit of rust on the trucks. Pickup rollers are a little bit dirty. Not a big deal. Wheels are fairly clean. None of them are chipped. That's nice. The bottom plate here isn't all covered in rust and scratched up. That's pretty good. Looks like it might actually have never been taken apart either. The shell is in good shape, just a little bit dusty. I'm pretty happy so far. How about you?
I like the couplers. They're way easier to do.
Yeah, they are way easier to do.
But you need to remember to do them, to turn the couplers open before you put them on the track, since it's at the bottom.
That's right. Okay, so we're going to put this tender off to the side, and we're going to see what the next piece in the box is. Okay, and here we go. Is this the star of the show? It's more pink packaging.
No, it's a train.
It's a train?
Yeah.
Are you sure? It's awfully heavy.
Trains are heavy.
It is a 2035. Whose face does that look like? Kind of. What's the sign there?
Pennsy.
That's right. This is a Pennsylvania. So, today we just got this 2035 and the accompanying whistle tender. We got these off of eBay a couple weeks ago. Have a look at the train itself. The boiler looks to be in really nice shape. So we have a look at the other side of him.
There's Penzi 681, and now this is Penzi 2035.
That's right. Looks like his handrail's in good shape, nice and straight. Still got a lot of his paint, a little bit of chipping. The numbers are absolutely perfect. There is no rust at the bottom here. Looks like his arms are a little bit rusty, but that's okay. We can get some cleaner on that, right?
There's no sharp piece, like pointy piece on these wheels.
No, there never is. Not on the middle ones. I will take the shell off of him. We'll have a look at his insides before we even try to put him on the track, and make sure everything is in good order underneath the shell, right?
Yeah. Then we'll put the tender when this one is fixed with Penzi 2035.
That's right. He's even got the little maintenance sticker is intact. To remove the whitish smoke deposit from locomotive body, apply a little Lionel lubricant or petroleum jelly. Polish with a soft cloth. Great advice. So yeah, we are I'm going to take this guy apart, check his insides, make sure everything is in good working order, and then maybe set up a track and send him around.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get to it.